Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In web development, viewports refer to the visible area of a web page on a device. Understanding how to manage viewports effectively is crucial for creating responsive designs that work well on various screen sizes, such as desktops, tablets, and smartphones. What is a viewport? The viewport is the user's visible area of a web page. It varies with the device and can change when the browser window is resized. The viewport size can be controlled using CSS and HTML, and it is essential for responsive web design. The Meta Viewport tag. To make your web applications responsive, you often use the Meta Viewport tag in the HTML head section. This tag helps control the layout on mobile browsers. HTML. Meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0. Viewport properties. 1. Width, sets the width of the viewport. This can be set to a specific value, in pixels, or to device width, which makes it match the device's width. 2. Initial scale, defines the initial zoom level when the page is first loaded by the browser. 3. Maximum scale, sets the maximum zoom level. 4. User scalable, allows the user to zoom in and out. Example, responsive design using viewports. Let's create a simple responsive web page that utilizes the viewport settings effectively. HTML structure. HTML. Doc type HTML. HTML lang equals n. Head. Meta charset equals UTF-8. Meta name equals viewport content equals width equals device width, initial scale equals 1.0. Title responsive viewport example / title. Link rel equals style sheet ref equals styles.css. / head. Body. Header. H1 responsive viewport example / H1. / header. Main. Section. H2 welcome to our site / H2. This is an example of a responsive web page that adapts to different viewport sizes / p. Section. Main. Footer. P and copy, 2023 responsive web design /p. Footer. Body. HTML. CSS, styles.css. CSS. Body. Font family, Arial, sans serif. Margin, 0. Padding, 0. Header. Background color, 4CAF50. Color, white. Text align, center. Padding, 1M0. Main. Padding, 20px. Section. Max width, 800px. Margin, auto. Footer. Background color, 333. Color, white. Text align, center. Padding, 1M0. Position, absolute. Width, 100%. Bottom, 0. Media queries for responsive design. To make your design fully responsive, you can use CSS media queries to apply different styles based on the viewport width. CSS. At media, max width, 600px. Header. Font size, 1.5 em. Main. Padding, 10px. Section. Padding, 10px. At media, min width, 601px, and max width, 1200px. Header. Font size, 2em. Main. Padding, 20px. Section. Padding, 20px. At media, min width, 1201px. Header. Font size, 2.5 em. Main. Padding, 40px. Section. Padding, 30px. Conclusion. Using the viewport meta tag and media queries, you can create a responsive design that adapts to various screen sizes. This ensures that your website provides an optimal user experience regardless of the device being used. Additional tips. 1. Test responsiveness. Use browser developer tools to simulate different devices and screen sizes. 2. Use flexible units. Consider using relative units like percentages, %, or viewport units, VW, VH, for widths and heights instead of fixed units like pixels. 3. Keep accessibility in mind. Ensure that text is readable and elements are not too small to interact with on mobile devices. By mastering viewport settings and responsive design techniques, you can significantly enhance the user experience of your web applications.